I thought we'd do some craft. And for this, we need the inside of a toilet roll, because we are going to do a take on the old cup and ball game, you know, where you have to flick the ball up and catch it in the cup. Well, this is going to be using a fish. So I'm going to show you how to make this anyway, and it all starts with the inside of the toilet roll. So all you have to do is squash one end down, and you're going to cut 2 little triangles in the back end of the fish. So we're going to do one about here, so little triangles, there we go, and one on the other side, one there and one there. So there you've got your basic fish shape like this one, and then you can decorate it however you want to. So you can paint it, use some pens. I use some felt tip pens on here which look really good on toilet rolls. Colour the whole thing in, and with a black pen you can add some features. So you can put on his little eye there, and of course the scales all the way over. So you can make this look really good, decorate it all, give him a nice big smiley mouth there, because obviously this is part of his mouth. You can do the other side as well, until you end up with one decorated like this on both sides. Now what you're going to do on the end here, the flat end, you're going to put some sellotape. So take some sellotape all the way across there and fold it over. So that's going to keep that end flat to make your cup shape. So there we go. And now we need the ball to go in. But what we're going to do is make a little fish to go in the big fish's mouth. And how you're going to do this is take some spare toilet roll cardboard, and you're going to use a coin. So I've got a 2p coin here. Pop it on the cardboard, and you're going to draw around it. But just draw around about 3/4 of it there, because this bit you're going to do his little tail. There we go, easy, do a little tail, and then you're going to cut it out. Now I folded a bit over, you can see it's part, because you need 2 sides of it. So if you cut it out with it folded over like this, it means you only end up cutting once. So here we go, all the way around. You can do that and you will end up with your little fishes, which are here. There we go, 2 little fishes. Now you can add some features to your little fish as well. So here we are, we're going to give him an eye, and we'll put some scales on him as well. And here's his tail. And do it on the other side. There we go, a big smile there. And some scales and his tail. And then you're actually going to put these 2 together, but you're going to put the coin in the middle and then sellotape them or glue them all together. This is just a bit, give the fish a little bit of weight, so it goes into the big fish's mouth easier. So there we are. I have sellotaped all that together, so it's made one little fish. Right, so this is the one. So what you need to do now is have a piece of string, and with your string here, you're going to sellotape it to the inside of the fish's mouth, like so. Got the bits hanging out, and the other bit is going to be sellotaped to your little fish. There we are, nice and secure. You could, if you wanted to, sellotape it or glue it in between the 2 fishes there. So there we go, we end up with a little fish on the big fish. And now you can have a go at playing it, see if you can get it in. Oh, it's a bit enthusiastic. Let's have a go again. Yay! So why don't you have a go at making one at home? Or you could make any animal you wish. And you could even challenge family members to a game, so you could see maybe how many times you could get it in a minute. So over to you.